Hey, 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 no, it's just me, it's just me. Shh, 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 shh. It's just me, it's just me. You were kind of mumbling in your sleep, and then I heard you scream, so I came in. Is everything okay? You seemed super agitated. Like you were having a really bad dream. What's going on? Are you okay? Shh, 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 shh. No, 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 it's okay. You can tell me. You were so kind to me earlier tonight. The least I can do is listen to you now. It's him, isn't it? Coming face to face with Damian. It scared you more than you want to let on. That's okay. That is okay. Listen to me. There is nothing to be ashamed of. Sometimes we can't control what our brain does to us. Traumatic events leave marks, and that's okay. But I'm right here. You can talk to me if you want, or I can just be here, and you can be unalone. It is whatever you need right now, okay? You want me to stay? Then I'll stay. Do you mind if I lay down here next to you? Shh, it's okay. I've been there. Yeah, I have. Right after I was bitten, I had nightmares for months. Terrible, horrible nightmares. I saw the wolf that attacked me, and I kept dreaming about it over and over. It took me months to come to terms with what had happened. A lot longer than it's been since that night. So it's okay. I promise it's okay. What fixed it? You're never gonna believe this. I met a leprechaun. Honest to God, I met a leprechaun. So actually, that is a pretty big piece of misinformation. Leprechauns are not small. This one was topping out nearly at 6 feet. He was a big, big son of a gun. Nice guy, though. You wanted him at your back in the bar fight. So his name was Connor, and he was traveling to see family who were out in Portland, I believe. But we just talked for hours. Couple of drinks, some food, good conversation. But he looked at me at the end of it all and he said, "Listen, life brings us both good and ill. It blows as the wind. We can choose to let the wind blow us in the direction we need to go, or we can get knocked down." He left that night, and it was like the world opened for me. I began to embrace what I was, and the nightmares stopped. I wish I could take that night away from you, so you never had to go through it. But then there is another part of me that in a twisted way is so glad that you did. Because here we are, together. And I love you. And I will be here for you in these moments, to hold you and tell you that everything is going to be okay. It is completely natural to get nightmares after traumatic events. It is nothing to be ashamed of. Yes, leprechauns are real. Most of the stories that you hear are real. Well, let's see. Who have I met? I have met other werewolves who are good, honest folk. They just want to live their lives, have fun on the full moon with their packs, and live good, honest lives. I've met a Dullahan, you would know them as Headless Horsemen, who was the epitome of an Irish gentleman. Though, in fairness, he's had 400 years to learn how to be a gentleman, so he's got some practice. I've met fairies that would bring you to an enchanted tea party and you would never want to leave. But they're good fairies, and you can't live in the fairy realm. I've met some tolerable vampires. Yes, just tolerable. Well, that feud goes eons back before me. Some species are just like oil and water. Or, in this case, fleas and garlic. It's okay, though. I promise you it's okay. For every Damian out there, there are 20 versions of creatures just like me. Yeah, I do know a Headless Horseman. Nice guy. His party trick is to actually leave his head in the living room speaking with everybody while he has his body go in and prepare drinks. He thinks it's great fun. It is a little weird, to be honest. Just between you and me, though, it's a little weird. Well, because honestly, he sort of rocks back and forth when he speaks. So I'm always expecting his head to just sort of flop over. See, there you go. You're already laughing. And everything is going to be okay. What is it? You forget. It's dark, but I have wolf eyes. I can see. I can see the look on your face. Something's not sitting right with you. Talk to me, come on. You want to ask me something? Go ahead. Anything. Oh, yeah, of course. Of course I can stay with you tonight. If that's what you want, I'm more than happy. So then I'm just going to, crawl into bed next to you, okay? No, this is usually how I sleep. I didn't think I would be jumping up, so I didn't grab a shirt when I jumped up. I was more worried about you. But yeah, this is how I normally sleep. Yeah, of course. Come here. I'm just going to put my arms around you. Just like that. There we go. And then I'm going to grab the blanket. And we can just lay here all night. You fall asleep whenever you're ready. Hey, I love you so much. More than you'll ever know. And I am so glad that I get to spend time with you and be here for you in moments like this. Yeah. Yeah, I am kind of warm. Sorry. I'm glad you like it. Perks of being a werewolf. Body temp is always at a steady 115. No, that's just Yuri you're hearing. Sometimes he lets off a howl or two at night. I've never been sure why. Good night. Mm-hmm.